Hey guys, it's summertime and I love grilled chops, and there's nothing better than having them done Hawaiian style. So I did these Hawaiian style grilled chops and they came out absolutely spectacular. You gotta try them. Let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, let's kick things off here by making the marinade. So we're going to add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce, but you can use the soy sauce of your choice. A 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. I just love pineapple juice. And I should mention too, this is the juice from the sliced pineapples. 2 tablespoons of water. A tablespoon of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And a tablespoon of minced garlic and ginger. And you can buy this in just about any store, or you can do it separately. You can use powdered, whatever. A drizzle of sesame oil, just for some good luck. A pinch of pepper flakes, just to bring out that heat. And last but not least, some ground black pepper. Now this might seem like a lot of ingredients, but you probably have them on hand in your pantry, and it is so yummy. Grab up my spoon and we'll give this a mix until it's well combined. Okay, to our marinade, I'm going to add in 2 butterfly chops. And you can use bone-in too if you like. I just like the butterfly. A little healthier and easier to work with. Slip the top on, and you can do this in a bowl or a Ziploc bag. And let's do the old shake, rattle, and roll. Shake, rattle, and roll. You can tell I'm enjoying this. Just look at this. Now I'm going to marinate this for about 15 minutes in the fridge. You can do this overnight too, so make it up the night before, slip it in the fridge, and you're good to go the next day. While the chops are marinating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and you won't miss a video, and also click that notification bell. Sorry, that got me hypnotized there for a few minutes. And if you like what you see, hit that like button. Really helps us out, guys. Now our chops are nicely marinated and our grill is good and hot. I'm going to slip the chops on. Oh, just listen to that sizzle. And some pineapple rings. It is the Hawaiian pineapple. And of course, remember to save this wonderful marinade because we're going to use this after. And of course, after a few minutes on the one side, we're just going to give them a flip. And just look at those wonderful grill marks, guys. Okay, we are nicely done on both sides, guys. So I'm just going to take these off the grill. Okay guys, while the meat is resting, we're going to make the sauce by pouring the remaining marinade into a saucepan. And I got this over medium heat. Add in 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. And we're just going to stir this until it thickens. And after a minute or two, we've begun to thicken, guys. And look at this, our yummy sauce. And let's drizzle some of that sauce over those delicious looking chops. And we'll garnish this up with some green onions. It's going to be so good. Alrighty then, my all-time favorite, the taste test. Gotta get some pineapple on there too. And ooh, doggies, just look at this, guys. Wow. My goodness, guys, this is so good. The pork is done really well. It's tender, juicy, and something I really love is that sauce. It's just about like a barbecue sauce, just fantastic. This would be great done over mashed rice, whatever you like. I gotta have more of this. It's just great. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandcheer.com, become a member, subscribe to our newsletter, all kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day and stay safe.